Today we are going to discuss modern physics. The first thing that we have to understand is what is light. What is light? Light is light. That's correct. But let us try to understand what is light. The great Newton thought that light is a particle. Christian Huygens thought that light is a longitudinal wave. In 1801, Thomas Young proved that light undergoes interference. Interference is something that is exhibited by waves, sound waves, water waves, all undergo interference. So based on this experiment, people concluded that light must be a wave. Maxwell showed that light is an electromagnetic wave. Basically, experiments on interference and diffraction established that light must be a wave. Experiments on polarization told us that light must be a transverse wave. However, in 1887, a phenomenon called photoelectric effect was discovered. The results of this photoelectric effect could not be explained by taking light as a wave. Einstein in 1905 took light as a particle to explain the results of photoelectric effect, and for this explanation he got the Nobel Prize in 1921. Now we have a problem. Experiments on interference, diffraction and polarization tell us that light is a wave. Experiments on photoelectric effect tell us that light is a particle. So what is light? So we say light has got a dual nature. You may say, how is that possible? Let me give you an example. In the classroom, all of you behave as good boys and girls, hopefully. But outside the classroom, you people behave as bad boys and girls. I am not trying to imply anything. Therefore, you have got a different nature inside the classroom and a different nature outside the classroom. You cannot be classified as good or bad. Same way, light cannot be classified as a wave or a particle. In some situations, light behaves like a wave. In some other situations, light behaves like a particle. When light propagates, it propagates as a wave. When it exchanges energy as particles. Light has got a dual nature. Same way, electrons also have a dual nature. Electrons behave like particles in devices like television picture tube. They got charge and mass. So in classical physics, electrons are treated as particles. But now people have done interference experiments with electrons, which show that electrons also have a wave nature. This wave particle duality is a general property. When electrons or light propagate, they propagate as waves. When they exchange energy, They exchange energy as particles.